Hey everyone, this is Trevor from Horne Auto Center in Show Low, Arizona, the Chevy store that saves you more. Today we're going to talk about the importance of performing and keeping up with regular maintenance on your cooling system. Maintaining your vehicle's cooling system is essential to prolonging the life and efficiency of your engine. The coolant system dissipates engine heat into the ambient air in order to prevent overheating and to keep your vehicle running safely. A coolant flush and fill is basic maintenance for your cooling system and will ensure maximum performance from your car's heating and cooling systems. The cooling system can be checked with test strips that measure acidity and with a hydrometer that measures freezing and boiling protection. Coolant can deteriorate over time and should be tested to see if it's still good, as it can be hard to tell just by appearance. Even if the coolant reservoir shows sufficient coolant level and testing shows the coolant and antifreeze protection are still adequate, a coolant drain and antifreeze flush may be needed. The coolant can become more acidic over time and lose its rust-inhibiting properties, causing corrosion. Corrosion can cause damage to the radiator, water pump, thermostat, radiator cap, hoses, and other parts of the cooling system, as well as to the vehicle heater system, and that can cause a car engine to overheat. The coolant in any vehicle with more than 50,000 miles should be tested periodically. That's to look for signs of rust, leaks, and to make sure it has sufficient cooling and overheating protection, even if the cooling system seems to be working properly and the reservoir is full. If the corrosion inhibitors have deteriorated, the antifreeze coolant should be changed. The cooling system might also need flushing to remove contaminants no matter what the maintenance schedule calls for. The cooling system might also need flushing to remove contaminants no matter what the maintenance schedule calls for or how many miles are on the odometer. On the other hand, if testing shows the coolant is still doing its job protecting from overheating and not allowing corrosion, changing it more often than what the manufacturer recommends could be a waste of money. Thanks again everyone for watching. This is Trevor at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more in Show Low, Arizona. If you have any questions or concerns about your cooling systems, be sure to make an appointment with our service department today.